Is Graphy any good? Here's an honest take from a competing platform. Let me give Graphy credit where it's earned. The DRM stack is one of the strongest in the category. Apple FairPlay, Google Widevine L1 and L3, Microsoft PlayReady, encrypted HLS streaming, and dynamic watermarking. For creators selling premium video, cohort masterclasses, certification programs, high-ticket trainings, that's infrastructure most platforms don't ship. And Graphy charges 0 platform transaction fees on every paid plan. Launch at $49 a month, Rise at $149, Scale at $399. Standard Stripe processing still applies, but Graphy takes nothing on top. Annual billing saves 25%. That's a real pricing win versus platforms like Kajabi or Teachable that still charge surcharges or transaction fees at entry. But here's what the pricing page doesn't make clear. The launch plan at $49 a month has no mobile apps. Native iOS and Android start at Rise, $149 a month. And even on Rise, the branded app is DIY. You open a Google Play Console account. You open an Apple developer account. $99 a year paid to Apple, not Graphy. You build the app through Graphy's in-dashboard app builder. You submit it for App Store review. You handle rejections. That's real labor hidden behind a feature checkbox. For most US creators, budgeting for a mobile app means assuming a platform ships it managed, not learning to publish iOS software. Scale at $399 adds something called Advanced DRM that isn't defined anywhere on the Features page or in the Help Center. $250 a month more than Rise for a tier whose top feature is undocumented. Trustpilot tells an interesting story. Graphy sits at 4.0 from 355 reviews, but the distribution is bimodal. 79% 5-star, 15% 1-star, almost nothing in between. That shape is consistent with 2 patterns running at once: heavy review solicitation after purchase and real post-sale support problems. The most consistent 1-star complaint across the reviews I read is this: strong responsive outreach during the pre-sale process, followed by unresponsive support once the invoice clears. It's a pattern. Not every customer hits it, but the volume of 1-star reviews citing it is real. The other factor, Graphy is headquartered in Bengaluru. Support runs on India time. For US creators, that's roughly 10:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific overlap. A real-world friction that matters if you rely on same-day response when something breaks. So here's how to decide. Consider Graphy if premium video protection is central to your offer, if you're comfortable with DIY mobile app publishing, and if your market center of gravity is India, or if you don't need real-time support response during US business hours. The DRM stack and 0 fees are real wins that most platforms can't match. Consider a managed course-first platform if you want mobile apps that ship as a turnkey feature, if you need support during your own business hours, and if premium DRM is nice to have rather than core to your product. The Graphy value proposition is concentrated, strong for a specific creator profile, narrower for the rest. Know which one you are. Want the full picture? I wrote a detailed review covering every Graphy tier, the Spayee rebrand history, and the support trajectory across Trustpilot reviews. Links in the description. Updated April 2026.